Onya, do you know that the 26 English alphabet give us 44 letter sounds? If that is the case, do you know that we limit ourselves to the letter sounds when we say A is for A, B is for B, C is for K? The A is for A, B is for B, C is for K. Is the original letter sounds. Do you know that we have additional letter sounds? Some of the alphabets have more than one sounds. Today, we are looking at letter sounds. When you talk of letter sounds, it is the sound that we make when we are pronouncing a word. In pronunciation, it is the letter sound that we use. So today, we are looking at the 26 original sounds. In our subsequent videos, we will look at the additional sounds, but today we are looking at the original 26 letter sounds. Here you are. We have A as in ant, B as in bat, K as in cat, D as in dog, E as in elephant, as in fish, G as in goat, as in hat, A as in H, J as in jack, K as in kite, L as in lantern, M as in man, N as in net, A as in octopus, as in pan, as in queen, as in rat, S as in snake, T as in tap, A as in up. Do you know that there is a difference between this and this? This one is A and this one is A. This one you open your mouth widely. This one you open your mouth wide in pronouncing it. That is A. But in this one, you don't open it widely as the other one. Small, you open it small. So it's A, as in A. You get it? As in van. Whoa. As in wood. X as in box. This sound is the combination of the K and the S sound. The combination of the K and the S sound gives us this sound. So it's X, X, as in box. You get it? J as in jam. Z as in zebra. So these are the 26 original English letter sounds. In our subsequent videos, we will be looking at the additional letter sounds. We'll be looking at the additional letter sounds. Okay, let's look at this. So, these are the 26 alphabets, and it has been grouped into vowels and consonants. We have 5 vowel letters. Mind you, if you say 5 vowel sounds, That is incorrect. It is 5 vowel letters because these letters give us more than 5 sounds. You get it? So we have vowel letter A, letter E, letter I, letter O, letter U. You get it? These letters give us more than 5 sounds. We'll be looking at it in details, all the sound that each of them produce. You get it? And we have 21 consonant letters. You get it? So these are the 21 consonant letters. When we talk of a vowel is the sound produced when there is no blockage. That is, when air flows freely from your mouth. That is a vowel sound. When you are producing a sound, and the air comes out freely, the air is produced freely without any obstacle, that is a vowel sound for you. But in consonant sounds, there is a blockage in the air. The air that is coming out, there is a blockage. You get it? So that is that for vowels and consonants. You get it? So we'll be looking at them one by one. If you want to get to know about letter sound in details, more understanding concept of teaching letter sound, look else nowhere. Follow me, ACTV, on YouTube, ACTV on TikTok, and Francisca Ivy Entiwa on Facebook. We give you nothing but the best, a fun way to teach. You get it? Until we meet again, thank you for watching.